Welcome, today I am with OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G from the European distribution, and we are going to check if this smartphone comes with the factory install protection on the display. So take a look. I think that you can see it right now. We can find the foil right here on the edge. Here we have the cutout for the camera. It goes right here, so basically it goes from the edge to the edge. It also protects our curves. So yeah, on the OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G we can find factory installed screen protection. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.